All right, welcome to today's math class. We have a radical equation before us here. If you look at the question, it's a very simple one, but two things made me to bring this challenge before us here. The end result we're going to get from here will it satisfy this equation? And if it will not, what happened? And the approach I'm going to use here, I'm going to use a different approach from the normal one most mathematicians use, or some of the videos on this radical equation I've produced, method I've used before. I'm going to use a different one. So let's go into today's challenge and see what this gives us here. So the question is just 1 equal to the square root of x plus 2, then minus the square root of x plus 3. What is the value of x here? So the first thing we're going to do here is to square both sides of the equation. Why are we squaring both sides of the equation? Because this radical is a square root, so we take the opposite of it. Now, some persons in solving would as well move this to this side or move this to this side. But we're not doing that. We want to square both sides directly. So this is going to give us a solution first. The solution we have here, 1 to the power of 2, this is equal to the square root of our x plus 2 minus the square root of our x plus 3 all to the power of 2. Here we're going to go gradually, okay? Or we can just skip some steps, right? So from here, we get this to be our 6, then bracket. Let's go systematically. The square root of x plus 2, yeah, right, minus the square root of our x plus 3, then close bracket, the square root of our x plus 2 minus the square root of our x plus 3. Right. So let's open this. This side we don't have issue, right? So let's use this to open this. We'll use this to multiply this. Same time, we'll use this to multiply this. So we come up here, we use this to multiply this, use this to multiply this. So this time this is going to give us the square root of x plus 2 all to the power of 2. We use this to tie this. This will give us minus our square root of x plus 2 times our square root of our x plus 3. Okay? Close bracket. Then we now come up, we use this to find that this will give us minus this against this now. So we have a square root of x plus 3, then bracket, then close bracket, the square root of x plus 2, close bracket. We equally use this to type this. So minus times minus will give us plus, so we have here plus bracket, this same, so we have square root of x plus 3 all to the power of 2. Easy. All right, so what we do next here is this. Look at this. We're having a square root and we're having a square here. And so this will go with this. Then this other side, we know here we have this and this will leave. We have our 1 here, right? Okay, so we have these 2 here. We can add these 2 together because what we have in here and what we have here are the same. So this is going to give us 1 is equal to our here. We're going to be left with x plus 2, then minus, here we're going to have 2 into our square root of x plus 2, close bracket, the square root of x plus our 3, close bracket. Then minus, all right, sorry, plus here, plus our x plus our 3. Easy. So from here now, you discover that we have x here, we have x here. So automatically, this is going to give us our 2x. There we have plus 3, we have plus 2. So we have here plus our 5, right? Then minus, here we have, okay, let's still keep this first. So we have here minus 2, then into our bracket, the square root of x, then plus 2, close bracket, the square root of x, then plus 3, close bracket. All right. Now, what we do next here now, want to move the whole of this term to this side of the equation and bring this to this side. So if we do that, this is going to give us about 2 into the square root of x plus 2, close bracket, the square root of x plus 3 close bracket. This is equal to, here we have 2x plus our 5. We are moving this one this way minus our 1. This is equal to, let's treat this side, so we have 2x plus 5 minus 1 will give us plus 4. We can factor 2 from here because we are having 2 out here. So if we factor out 2 from here, then we're going to have here 2 into the square root of x plus 2 close bracket the square root of x plus 3 close bracket equal to 2 into this will give us x there plus 2 into this will give us 2. We can divide 2 by 2. Divide this by 2 also. 2 goes with 2 here. 2 goes with 2 here. Right? So let's continue on this side and see what this gives us in turn. All right. Now, so we now have here our the square root of x plus 2, or in bracket, the square root of x plus 3, close bracket, equal to, here we have just x plus 2. How we get this something here? What we do next here now, we take the square of both sides of the equation. So we're going to square this, and at the same time, square this. This square will affect everything here. So this is going to give us the square root of x plus 2 all square times the square root of our x plus 3 all square equal to bracket x plus 2 into bracket x plus 2. All right. So what happened? This goes with this goes with this. Now, if you look at this, never made the mistake of, because you're having x plus 2 here and we're having x plus 2 here to cancel out, in other words, to divide. If you made that mistake, you're going to run into trouble. You're going to have x plus 3 equal to x plus 2. So there will be no solution here. So what you do, you just quickly open up this. So, but let's write this out. So we have here x plus 2 bracket x plus 3 equal to bracket our x plus 2 bracket our x plus 2. Now, this is what I'm saying. Here we have x plus 2. You may be tempted to say, let's divide through by x plus 2. If you do that, you will have some challenge. What you do here is just to open up this. Straightforward. So this time, this will give us x to the power of 2 plus, here we have 3x plus 2x plus 6. This is equal to x to the power of 2 plus 2x plus 2x plus 4. Right? So if we sum up this, this is going to give us x to the power of 2 plus 5x plus 6. This is equal to x to the power of 2 plus 4x plus 4. Right? All right. So with this, here we're having x to the power of 2, we're having x to the power of 2. So this with this. Bring this to this side of the equation. So we're going to have here a 5x minus 4x equal to 4. Take this to this side, minus 6. So you're going to have here x is equal to minus 2. So this is the value of x that we got from solving this radical equation. So we want to check if the answer which we've gotten, minus 2, will actually satisfy the original equation, because that is the second reason why I decided to bring this challenge. The first reason is to use this method, different from the normal one, whereby we're supposed to move this to this side or move this to this side. Okay, so the second reason now is for us to check for the result. So let's have here a check. So we put down our normal question or original equation, which is 1 equal to the square root of our x plus our 2 minus the square root of our x plus our 3. So let's quickly substitute in and see what this gives us. So we're going to have here minus 2 plus 2, then minus the square root of minus 2 plus our 3. So we have 1 is equal to minus 2 plus 2 will give us 0, and the square root of 0 will give us what? 0. Then minus 2 plus 3 will give us plus 1. The square root of 1 is what? 1. So we end up having 1 equal to 0 minus 1 will give us what? Minus 1. But 1 is not equal to minus 1. So this is wrong. Okay, 1 is not equal to minus 1. In other words, this answer we solve for is extraneous. Extraneous. The answer is extraneous. So this is the second reason why I decided to bring this challenge. It does not satisfy this original equation. So we have an extraneous solution. Okay, so this brings us to the end of this math class. If you're new here, this is Online Mass TV, and if you learn something from this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. Thanks for being there all the time. Keep watching Online Mass TV, and we'll meet you in our next class. Keep winning. Bye for now.